Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then find and select the settings. Now open the camera settings and here you will find a self timer. Smoothly click here and now you can pick either 2 seconds or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 2 seconds at first. And now, as you can see, the picture will be taken after 2 seconds. Then if you would like to pick 10 seconds, obviously the delay would be a bit longer, so smoothly let me switch it to 10 seconds. And now you've got 10 seconds countdown before the picture is taken. And that's it. If you would like to switch off the camera timer, just pick self timer, switch it off, and now you can grab a photo right after the click. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.